Back to the forest for another Bloomburrow booster. I'm telling you, this set never gets old. The art, the colors, the vibes, just perfect. Let's rip into some more Magic. And we're kicking it off with some really colorful artistic cards. Love it. And a flying...
Lizard. Lizard.
It's a whole family of them.
Lizard.
Tender Wildguide. Looks like a pretty strong card. Not bad at all. And that wraps up today's forest adventure. Thanks for watching, and may the booster gods bless your next pull.